of all, welcome back to day 3 of multiplication. Today we're going to be applying our knowledge of multiplication to help us answer some worded problems. And we're also going to be incorporating our knowledge of bar models as well. So if we look at problem number 1, so Miss Smither buys 5 packets of Smarties. Each packet contains 18 Smarties. How many Smarties does she buy altogether? So first thing I would do is to underline all of the important information to help me. So I know that 5 packets is important and 18 Smarties, and then our key word is all together. Okay, so I've already pre-drawn out my bar. So because I'm buying 5 packets, I need to split my bar into 5. Okay, they should be equal. In each packet there are 18 Smarties, so I will put 18 into each group. And then I am trying to work out the all together. So the calculation that I will need to do is 18 times by 5, which I will just set out using the abstract method. So I've got 8 ones times by 5, which is 40 ones. So I regroup my 40 ones for 4 tens, leaving me with 0 ones. Then I've got 1 10 times by 5, giving me 5 tens. Add on the 4 tens, giving me 9 tens. So then my answer is 90 Smarties. So I could answer she has 90 Smarties altogether. Okay, so that's example number 1, where we don't know the amount, but we do know the groups. Okay, problem number 2 is Miss Rickson grows 750 flowers. Miss Smither grows 3 times as many as Miss Rickson. How many does Miss Smither grow? So, just like problem number 1, I'm going to underline the important information. So I've got 750 flowers. Miss Smither grows 3 times as many. And then how many does Miss Smither grow? So my bar model for this problem is going to look slightly different because I've now got 2 people. So I'm going to put Miss R and Miss S for Miss Rickson and Miss Smither. So for Miss Rickson's bar, I know that she grew 750 flowers. So I'm going to draw a bar for her of 750. Okay, Miss Smither grows 3 times as many. So my bar will be larger than Miss Rickson's, and I need to split it into 3 with 750 in each. Okay, and then once again my calculation so that I can work out how many I grew altogether, and we'll need to do 750 times by 3. So 0 ones times by 3, anything times by 0 will always be 0. 5 tens times by 3 is 15 tens. With my 15 tens, I would need to regroup 10 of those tens for 100, leaving me with 5 tens. And I've got 700 times by 3, giving me 21 hundreds. Add on the regrouped 100, giving me 22 hundreds. Okay, so then my answer is 2,250. So if I answered that, she grew 2,250 flowers. My garden must be very big. Right, now your turn. Today we have set you 2 worded problems for you to have a go at. So you've got each Year 4 class has 175 colouring pencils. There are 5 classes. How many colouring pencils are there altogether? And Mr. Anderson has 542 stamps. Mrs. Downer has twice as many as Mr. Anderson. How many stamps does Mrs. Downer have? I've also included at the bottom a challenge for you. How many do they have altogether? So check back tomorrow for the answers.